Hi, I'm Larry. I'm with Ameristar Windows. I've been here for a long time, 2 different capacities, but I've probably got about 12, 13 years in now with Ameristar. Love it here. Currently, I'm one of those guys. We come out to your house, we check it all out, give you a quote, talk to you, tell you all about our product and everything that we do, our installations, and that's basically what I do. Typically, when consumers go out and start doing the research and getting quotes, they're usually talking to a window dealer that has multiple brands. We're not a brand that you would find anyplace else, but we do sell direct to our consumers, and there's a tremendous value with that. We're not a middleman, so when you meet with us, you're meeting with the factory. It'd almost be like buying your next car direct out of the factory and not having to go through a dealership and pay all that markup that they make. When you're shopping with Ameristar, you're dealing direct with the factory. It would be kind of like hopping on a plane and flying to Detroit and knocking on the door at Ford Motor Company. Well, they'll probably give you a tour of the factory, but if you see that brand new midnight blue F-150 coming down the line, they're not going to sell it to you. They're going to send you to a local Ford dealer. When we come out to see you, when we show you our samples and we talk about our product, you're buying it direct from the factory. You're not buying from a middleman. Look around your house. Everything you buy in your home, you've essentially bought from a middleman. So you're always paying middleman markup. It's rare that you can walk into a factory and literally buy right out of a factory. And that's what you do when you come to Ameristar. Welcome to come over, visit our factory if you'd like. We can show you how we make your windows. We've actually had customers ask us, so when are you making my windows? I'd like to see you when you cut the glass, and yeah, give us a call. If you do a project with us, call me up and we'll arrange that you can come by when you're cutting your glass, building the frames. Yeah, you're welcome to come to the factory. One of the reasons we're so efficient with the way we do things, we've been making our product pretty much the same way for many, many years now. When glass is updated, we do update the glass. We have the highest efficiency glass that's really available today. Some of the finest windows in the country are made with the exact same glass that we use. Our frame material, we've been using the same frame material and the heavy industrial aluminum extrusions that we put inside of our frames. We've been making the same way forever, basically. We have very few warranty calls. It's very unusual to have a problem with one of our windows. It's rare. Unlike so many of our competitors who are window dealers who offer factory warranties which have limitations and exclusions in them, because we are the factory and because we do the installations ourselves, we warranty everything. There are no exclusions and limitations in our warranty. In our industry, the window industry and the patio door industry, warranties basically have exclusions and limitations that we do not have to have because we do everything. A window manufacturing company does not warranty something that they don't do. And window manufacturers just take orders from their dealers. They make exactly what they're told to make, irrespective of whether or not the measurements were accurate, because the window manufacturer didn't do the measuring. They just make what they're told to make. And if the windows come in and they don't fit quite right, but they're installed anyways, down the road, that can cause problems. Because we use our own factory-trained installers to do all of our measurements. Many of those people also do manufacturing. We don't have those kinds of issues. Our windows always fit perfectly. What really sets us apart is definitely that we are a factory direct manufacturer. However, not only are we the factory direct manufacturer, but again, we are the installer. And because we have a factory and an installation crew filled with people that have been with us for many, many years, our work tends to be as perfect can be, because our people know how to make our windows and install our windows so they're trouble-free. And again, that's why we offer the unconditional lifetime warranty. One of the things that we pride ourselves on here at Ameristar is that we're not a typical 6 to 8, 8 to 10 week delivery process. We've always had the ability to get through the production and installation cycle within 3 weeks. If you were to move forward with us and we were not able to get your windows manufactured and installed within 3 weeks, now there are some limitations to that, things that are out of our control, like it rains for a week straight or those types of things, but by and large, pretty much For many, many years now, our projects are completed within 3 weeks.